this could be the last, just wait and see. Tomorrow, freedom's light will shine, and we'll return to what is rightfully mine. These endless nights will surely bend for Palestine. This pain will end. Palestine tomorrow will be free. Palestine tomorrow will be free. No mother to hold me, no father near, no gentle touch to calm my fear. Yet I stand strong, my tears unseen, holding hope for a world serene. My heart beats firm, my faith intact. No power on earth can alter that fact. For Palestine tomorrow will be free. Palestine tomorrow will be free. I watch the skies erupt with fire, shattering dreams, fueling the ire. Loved ones gone in a blink, no trace, yet their spirit lingers in every place. What became of our promised rights? What dimmed the world's guiding lights? The silence screams louder than cries. Can your heart still feel, or has it died? With bare hands, I'll touch this land, every stone and tree, every grain of sand. They may tear it down, but they can't confine the soul